Hi everyone, it's Angela from Cladfetti, and today I'm sharing a behind the scenes makeover of my polymer clay craft area. So to start out, here's what everything looks like so far. I've already got a few bits of furniture already from Ikea, and since I craft in a small corner of the living room, I have this big sort of storage unit, and I put all my supplies like paints and molds and glitter and all that kind of stuff in it. Then next to that, there's my desk where I make everything, like my polymer clay charms and stickers, and I also film my tutorials here. Then just on the right of that is a small vertical set of drawers for stationery. So now in the other corner of the room is what I call my packaging storage unit, and that has a whole bunch of envelopes and bubble wrap. Then there's a big wooden table next to that, and that's for when I package and send my charms off in the post. I know everything looks super bare right now, but I'm about to head off to Ikea just to check out some of their organizing and decorative stuff, and I'll see you when I get back. Hi everyone, I'm back from Ikea. So I ended up getting their pegboard. Well, actually I got two, and I also got a bunch of accessories, so I'll show you what I got. So I got all of these. I got this little white container, which is where I want to put some of my tools. And this one as well, which is like a clear one, and it came with a sort of a lid on the top. I actually got a few of both of these. I also got some of these little hooks. And I got some of these little clips as well. There's also a tape holder, but I didn't buy it this time around. I had that already in storage. I also got some long trays just to hold things like my paints or even my label writer stuff, just so that there's more space in the storage units. Oh, and I also got a couple of these, which is like a round hook type of thing to hang my headphones on. So that's everything, and I'm going to get assembling. Oh, and I almost forgot to show you, I got this drawer set as well to put my printer on and to store all of my printer paper and inks and stuff. So yeah, let's go. everyone! So that's all for my craft area makeover. I hope that you enjoyed seeing it all come together. I had so much fun and I can't wait to create new charms and tutorials in the new space. I'll also write down all of the names for the furniture that I got, and I'll leave that in the description box below. And if you like this video, give it a big thumbs up and subscribe for more. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you next time. Bye!